What's going on, YouTube? We back at it with another video today, man. Uh, it's probably been like a month or two, probably almost three. I don't know. I don't know, but it's been a minute. I definitely got to post a lot more than I have been. Um, I've been good though. Let me know how y'all been doing in the comment section down below. Let me know. Uh, I just been to myself though, really. Family, my girl, um, doing a lot of real estate stuff, and then trading, obviously, just getting my mind right altogether, to be honest. Um, Shit, I started this 25K funded challenge. Um, I believe I'm off like 300 or $400 or something like that. So I should definitely hit it by this week. If not this week, next week for sure. And I didn't really trade around. I didn't trade that much around Christmas and New Year's. If you're a trader, I don't even gotta explain it. You know how that go. But yeah, man. On my last video, I believe it was the trade breakdown of $1,000. I did a trade breakdown on that big trade I had. Somebody asked in the comment section for a market structure video, so we're gonna go ahead and get into that. And that was good though. Like, gave me his input or whatever. And I say that because like I don't want to run out of ideas, and then because I feel like if I run out of ideas of stuff to post, I feel like I'm just not gonna post. Um, I don't know. I don't know. But that was good though. But then that also falls on me because I ain't been posting as much as I need to. So I definitely need to start doing that more. But that was good though. Keep giving me y'all input, and I promise I will post a lot more. I shouldn't have to say that, but Uh, but yeah, man. Enough talking. We're gonna get right into this video. It shouldn't be long. It should probably be like 10, 15 minutes or so. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute.
Alright, y'all, so let's get right into this video. One thing about market structure is that what y'all need to understand is market structure is like the foundation of everything, okay? So whether you're trading supply and demand, Fibonacci, price action, or you're using indicators like RSI, volume, whatever, you need to understand market structure, alright? So in an uptrend, okay, go do an uptrend first. You will be looking for higher highs and higher lows, alright? So we got our beginning point of impulse to make a high, retracement back down to make a higher low because this low is higher than that low. And we got our big push up, which is this is also called a break of structure, impulse, trending back up, whatever you want to call it. This is a break structure because we broke this high and it made a higher high right here. And then it retraces back down to make a higher low because this low is higher than that low. Push back up, break of structure, higher high, retracement back down, higher low, because this low is higher than that low. Push back up, higher high. So we got beginner point, push up, got our high, retracement back down, higher low, push back up, higher high. This high is higher than that high. Retracement back down, higher low. This low is higher than that low. Push back up, higher high. Retracement back down, higher low. Break structure back up, higher high. Okay. Now a downtrend is the same thing, just reversed. So we got our beginning point, and as a reversed, I mean that you'll be looking for lower lows and lower highs, okay, instead of higher highs and higher lows. We got our beginning point, push down. We got a low, retracement back up. We got a lower high because this high is lower than this high right here, than your beginning point. Push back down. We got a lower low because this low is lower than that low. Push back up, lower high because this high is lower than that high. Break a structure down, lower low. Retracement back up, lower high. Break a structure back down, lower low. Okay. Lower low because this is lower than that low. Another lower low because it's lower than that low. Lower lows, lower high, and lower high because all of these highs are break structure going down and they're below each other, obviously. So that's an uptrend, and then you got your downtrend. Now this right here is called consolidation. Okay, all it's doing is going left to right. It's not trending up, breaking structure up and it's not breaking structure down. It just goes left and right in making highs and lows. That's all this gonna do. I try to stay away from this. If you want to trade consolidation, go ahead. I don't recommend it, but everybody trades differently, right? I'm gonna try and find some examples with the candlesticks for y'all. Uh, okay, this is good. So, like right here in this little area, we started trending up, right? We got our beginning point. This is your beginning point right here. We gotta push up to make a higher high. This high is higher than this high right here, and these highs over here. So we got our higher high that broke this high and this high. It then retraced back down to make a higher low. This would be your higher low because we never came back down and broke below this low. Alright? And this is an uptrend, okay? This is your higher low because we never came back down below this area right here. Below this low. We never came below here. So this would be your higher low. And then it proceeds to then break back above to make a higher high. This higher is higher than that high, right? It's the same thing, it's just with candlesticks, okay? It's the same thing. And if you are having trouble, you could always go to the line chart as well. This is, see how much easier this is. It's the same thing. We got our beginning point, push all the way up, higher high. This high is higher than this high, and these highs over here. Retracement back down. This low is higher than these lows over here. Push all the way back up to make a higher high because this high is higher than that high. Okay? So it's the same thing. It's the same thing, alright? See if I can find a downtrend example for y'all. I think I already have, I already have one drawn up. Alright. So we got our beginning point right here. Okay, this is a high. We got our beginning point, right? We push down, make a low right here. It's a little itty bitty low. Alright, we got this little low right here. Retracement back up, push down, made these lows right here. This is a lower low because this low is lower than these lows over here. Alright, it continued to push, it retraces a little bit and then continued to push down. So now we got, and this low right here, it lines up with these lows if you pay attention, look at it. So that's why I got it drawn out all the way over here. But we got to break it down below here. We got a lower low. This low is lower than these lows over here. Okay, now it pushed all the way back up. It made this high, but it never broke above your beginning point, these highs over here. So this would be a lower high, right? Okay, and then we push all the way down, retrace just a little bit up, pushed all the way down some more to make this lower low because these lows is lower than these lows. Alright, this lower low right here is lower than this lower low. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the beginning. This is your downtrend. We got the beginning point, got your high, pushed down, made a low, retrace back up, pushed all the way back down to make a lower low. This low is lower than this low. Retrace back up just a little bit with these two green candles, pushed all the way back down to make a lower low. This low is lower than these lows. Push all the way back up to make a lower high because this high never broke above this high. Gotta push down, trace just a little bit all the way down to make a lower low. This low is lower than this low. These two lows over here. Okay, even these lows. This low is lower than this low. This is just breaking structure. Okay, so But that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Just keep giving me y'all input. I do have to post more. I do gotta post more. So it takes both sides. All right, I gotta post more, and then if I don't have any ideas, then it's whatever. But I definitely gotta post more. I can't be waiting no month or two. But yeah, y'all stay safe, man. Let me know what else y'all want to see, and subscribe, like, comment, and that's pretty much it.